Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Visio. In this module, I want to have a look at what you've got in Microsoft Visio online. So on the screen, I'm on my Office 365 homepage, just opening up the apps and then clicking onto Visio to get into the Visio app. Now what you've got in the Visio app online is a whole array of really cool templates. So across the top here you've got some templates with a link to more templates, and obviously you're starting with a blank drawing. So if I just go into more templates just to give you a flavor of what is available. So on this screen, select a template, you've still got the option to go for a blank one, but these are all template diagrams with an example of a diagram in each of these. Now if I just use these little arrows to the right and just navigate through a few of them, you can see that these are just popular ones, and you just get to the end and then you scroll down to the next set. So these are basic diagrams, and you might think some of these are not that basic, but they're quite cool, very good to look at. Just coming across some of these and then down to the next set, which is basic flow charts, and there's quite a few of these. And even if you don't use the template, these give you quite a lot of information and some good ideas of how to create your own structure. Organizational charts, there's just a few of those. The infographic timelines, these are quite good, quite visual. And what you can do is, if I go into one of these and create them, I'll come back to this one, I'll do this one. If I go down, just have a look at the block diagrams, basic network diagrams, not so many of them. Process diagrams, quite a few different process diagrams. You can actually download or copy some of these down into the desktop version of Visio and manipulate them in there. And then you've got these Venn diagrams, different Venn diagrams. So if I go back up and open one of these, I'll open up this employee growth template, and what you get there is some information and then how to use this template. And if I just zoom that in a little bit, come across, so all the information you need is there, what you can do, how you can do it. This is just a text box really, so you can just delete that out of the way. Same with this one. You have your stencils down the left hand side, just one stencil in this case, but the option there to get more shapes, all these different options I could add. I don't want to do that. You've still got the search for shape. If you want to search for a particular shape, you can do, and these are just drag and drop shapes as you would expect with a normal Visio diagram. Just get rid of that one. Now what I'm going to do is just come back down a little bit and zoom down. These diagrams look great in PowerPoint, so what you can do is just highlight the diagram, so select everything, and then if you right click, you've got the option to download this diagram as an image. So I'll just download that as an image. You've also got features on the right mouse click as well, invert horizontally like so, and if I do the whole diagram, let's see what happens. Can't do the whole diagram, so I have to do it one at a time. Right click, invert. Doesn't make a massive difference on this particular diagram, but you've got that option. Now the downloaded image, that's the downloaded image, so you can now just insert that into a PowerPoint or a Word document or whatever you want to do. So all of these diagrams, these templates, can be downloaded like that as an image, but you can also open this in the desktop app. So that's what I want to do, because this isn't available in the desktop app as a standard template. You'd have to search for it online, but let's just go for this option, open in desktop app. So it's asking me for an app to open this. I'm just going to select Visio, OK to that. So it's opening Visio and it's going to open that diagram in the desktop app. And there we go. So that's the same template. You've got quick shapes, nothing in there, but you've got the ability to create your own stencils, and then you can manipulate this in the same way as you can online. So all of those templates, of which there are some quite cool ones, you can open up in the desktop app and then use the full version of Visio, all of this, and get the benefit of the desktop app. So that's all I wanted to talk about in this little video, how you can access the online version of Visio, look at the templates in Visio, save them as an image if you want to put them into PowerPoint, and then download them into the desktop app if you need to do that, or you want to do that to manipulate them in a bit more detail. So hopefully this video has been of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you in the next one.